Hello, dear students. I am Rakesh Kumar Sharma. You are here to study subject science. Welcome in science class. This is chapter 1, unit 1. Name is food, and the name of chapter is food. Where does it come from? Topics to be covered in this chapters are food variety, food materials and sources, plant parts and animal products as food. What do animals eat? Before we go to the detailed study of the chapter, we see the chapter in a nutshell. All living organisms need food. Living organisms need food for growth, energy, replacement and repair of damaged body parts, protection against disease. Many different types of food materials are present in nature. Food materials can be made of one, two, or many ingredients. Plants are the main source of food. Food is also obtained from animals. Almost all plants parts are edible. Honey bees make honey from the nectar of flowers. Adequately cooked food is easily consumed and digested by our body. Sprouted seeds are rich in many nutrients. Based on food habits, animal can be divided into three categories. First, herbivores. Herbivores are animals which eat only plants, and carnivores. Carnivores are the animals which eat flesh of the other animals. And the third one is omnivores. Animals which eat both plants and flesh of other animals are called omnivores animals. Human beings are omnivores. Important terms and definitions. Organisms. All living beings such as bacteria, fungi, plants, animals, human beings, etc. are called organisms. Food. Substances from which a living organism gets nutrients for growth, repair, and replacement of the damaged body parts, protection against disease, and which provide energy, constitute food. Edibles, things that are fit to be taken, plant parts, or animal products are known as edible. Sprouts. When seeds are kept moist for a day or two, they germinate and small body parts grow out of them. These germinated seeds are called sprouts. Autotrophs, living organisms which produce their own food, are called autotrophs. Heterotrophs, living organisms which depend on other organisms for food, are called heterotrophs. Food variety. We eat different kind of food at different times of the day. The different kinds of the food items that we eat constitutes what is called food variety. According to their taste, habits, lifestyle, and availability of food items, different people eat different kinds of food. A particular food item served as part of a meal is called a part of meal. Correct it, not metal, it is a meal, is called a dish. The food items or substances which are combined to make a dish are called ingredients. For example, raw rice and water are ingredients required to prepare boiled rice. But to prepare vegetable curry, we need ingredients such as vegetables, spices, oil, salt, water, etc. Now we are going to solve some questions. Why different people eat different types of food? Answer is different people eat different types of food because they have different preferences, habit, lifestyle, etc. It is also due to their different geographical location and the availability of the food items in these locations. Difference between vegetarian and non vegetarian food habits. Answer: human beings who eat only plants, milk, and milk products are called vegetarians, and those who eat both plants, parts, as well as animal products are called non vegetarians. What are the various modes of cooking that does not require water? Frying, baking, grilling, and roasting do not require water. Name few materials obtained from animals. We obtained milk from cows and buffaloes, eggs from hen, and meat from goat, chicken, and fish. Name a few food materials obtained from plants. Cereals such as wheat and rice are obtained from plants and constitute the main part of our diet. A variety of pulses like arhar and moong are obtained from plants. Sugar, beverages and spices like turmeric are also obtained from plants. Name two beverages and the plants from which they are obtained. Tea and coffee are two most popular beverages all across the world. Tea is obtained from the leaves of the tea plant, and coffee is prepared from the beans of the coffee plant. NCERT textbook exercise. Do you find that all living beings needed the same kind of food? No, all living beings do not need the same kind of food. For example, green plants can prepare their own food. Buffaloes and cows eat grass and grains. Cat feed on birds, rats and milk. Lizards eat small insects. Lion and tiger eat other animals. Name 5 plants and their parts that we eat. Name of the plant mustard, edible parts, leaves, flower and seeds. Name of the plant soybean, edible parts, seeds, ginger, edible parts, stem, tomato, edible parts, fruit, mango, edible part, fruit. Match the item given in a column A with those in column B. I am telling you the correct answer. Milk, curd, paneer, ghee, animal product, spinach, cauliflower, carrot are vegetables. Lion and tigers eat other animals. Herbivore eat plants and plant products. Fill in the blanks. Tiger is a blank because it eats only meat. Answer is carnivore. Deer eats only plant products and so is called a herbivore. Parrot eats only blank products. Answer is plant. The blank that we drink, which comes from cows, buffaloes, and goats, is an animal product. Answer is milk. We eat sugar. We get sugar from made from sugar cane. Please read chapter 1 Food. Where does it come from? From your textbook. We are here to see our text. You already have the textbook. You should go through the textbook and read the contents and text. If you find somewhere any difficulty, you may ask to myself, Rakesh Kumar Sharma. You may ask to your parents also or your elder brother and sister also. This is your book that I am showing here. You may read by doing pause application textbook. If you could not able to read it properly, you may download it or you may purchase the book from the market and see the contents and text here. Please go through the text. Now summary. There are a lot of variation in the food eaten in different regions of the India. The main source of our food are plant and animals. Animals which eat only plants are called herbivores. Animals which eat only animals are called carnivores. Animals which eat both plant as well as other animals are called omnivores. Exercise. All answers already has been given to you. Please try to solve the exercise. This is over of first chapter. Please do read and practice.